Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have May's Zenpop box for you guys, and this is the code, if you would want to follow along from home. Let's get right into the unboxing. Oh wow, it's a lot of washi this time around. Alright, so big W clip. That's so cute. Alright, just a really big clip with this big hanger. I'm not really sure what design is this. Is it like supposed to be, I mean, it looks like pancakes with syrup on it, maybe. And yeah, it's like a really big bulldog clip. So that's really cute and useful. We've got some pens, which I'll test out at the end of the video. And then now we have all this washi tape. So we've got all this beautiful yellow washi tape here. Let me open it up. I really love these patterns. They're so beautiful. They're very like, I don't know, they're like good crowd-pleasing washi tape designs, like picnic blankets, plaid, stripes, check marks, and dots. Just good all-round solid washi tape. And it's a decent amount as well. I think you're getting like 5 meters. Yeah, which is a lot. And then there's some more tape here. It doesn't look quite washi tape-ish. They look like ribbons. Oh, okay. Right. Am I doing this wrong? Right, okay. So, it's not actually tape. This is just fake tape. You put this on here. It's tape dispenser. How do I remove this without breaking this? I think I'm going to have to break it. Okay. This would have been easy if I just left it, but, you know, I'd love to do things the hard way. So, they're just tape dispensers that you put on your washi tape like here, but it cuts the ends off in different shapes. So you can have like a flag tape shape, you can have like a zigzag shape, and then this one looks kind of like just a smaller version. Yeah, like a small stripped version. I don't know. I need to try it out. Looks like that's what it is. But yeah, that is creative. I have not owned anything like this before. Let's actually try it out. I want to try the flag one. So you have the end here. You clip it down here. How does this work? Alright, got it clipped. So there's teeth here, so I guess you can just pull them off like that. It's very loose, by the way, but it could be that washi tape is on the small side. And then here in between, it's a little finicky, but do this. Now if I press it down, oh my gosh, look, it works. It's a flag. It's a little flag. Okay, it does actually work. That is so cool. All right, I'm convinced. Love it. Definitely going to use this one a lot because I love this flag look that I always manually cut out. Not sure about this one as much, although I probably still will use it. This one I'm really unsure how I'm going to use it because I think it's for like the smaller washi tapes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe for smaller ones, I think. I don't know. But anyways, that is a cool idea. I have nothing like that, and it's a very cool addition. Alright, moving on, we have a 17 centimeter ruler. I love it, just a plain good ruler, to be honest. Like, I have a lot of cute rulers, but you can't say no to a plain one. Then we have some post-it notes, like gold foiling with birds, 20 sheets. Then we have, oh, these are beautiful, foil transfer stickers. I love transfer stickers. Essentially what you do is you don't have to cut each of these out. You can just take the backing paper off and then just like with a coin or something, rub against the pattern you want to transfer onto your paper. And it kind of works like a sticker, only there's no bulk, and it's going to be very beautiful. So I am excited to use this one. And then we have a notebook specifically prepared in Tokyo. I don't know why it said that because, oh, well, it is made in Japan. I was like, I'm sure it's made in China. No, it is made in Japan. It's a nice, good size notebook, lined. Cool, that is everything in May's Zenpop box. Let's go test out those pens. Alright, so we've got 2 pens here. This one, I think I've heard of this brand for Pilot Acro. It's like 0.3. Let me just make sure we are not refocusing. Alright. Oh, it's a really nice, and I think it is ballpoint. Yeah, it is ballpoint. It's a really nice sharp pen. And then this one here is Kiratrich Zebra. It's like a glitter highlighter, from my understanding. I don't know whether it takes a bit for the glitter to come out, but I don't really see any glitter. Let me try a little bit more. I don't see any glitter coming out, so it's kind of playing off like a standard highlighter. I think I have a couple of these colors, but they're not my favorite highlighters. There's just so many to choose from, right? The mild liners are probably my favorite, and I'm not a fan of fluorescent yellow. But there you have it. That is what's in the Zenpop box for May. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.